aftermath of the snow. I already filmed, but I forgot to turn on the porch light. But here it is. So here's the snow. I'm gonna stand in the snow for a second. But as you can see, there's like a layer of ice underneath it. So about a ½ inch on the porch, and then over here it's about an inch. Like over here, that's like in this corner right here is about an inch. I already messed it up though. It's very cold outside. And went very slow. And then as you can see, little sparkles and snowflakes. Let me zoom in on these pretty snowflakes. Aren't they pretty? I love looking at snowflakes. Like, all the sparkles, like those, those are snowflakes. You could literally slide and hurt yourself out here. As you can see, over here, we have some more snow. About ½ an inch. Again, snow has covered this thing. There's lots of pretty snowflakes on here. My hands are freaking numb. Let's make it like clear so you can see the ice. There you go. Ice. Ice, ice, baby. And trash cans covered. Then I don't know what it looks like out on the front. The rows, if you can tell over there, has like a thin layer of ice. More pretty snowflakes. Look at the designs of the snowflakes. Whew. It's cold, but maybe we'll go sledding tomorrow. It's blurry now. But yeah. Oh, it's starting to snow again. Can't tell. But yeah. You can saw some snow coming down. There's our neighbors. Yep, snow's falling down. So we'll see if it's like snows tomorrow. I don't know the aftermath of tomorrow. But I'll definitely let you know when I wake up. I'll make a video. And our placemat is like frozen. So yeah, there's the aftermath of the snow. And Bella hates it. I swear she hates it. My hands are freezing. So, thanks, eyes watching. Let me know what the weather is where you are. Love you guys. I'll see you on next video. Bye-bye.